2026 is coming, and if you're a student dreaming of going abroad, things are changing fast. Canada is cutting study permits. Australia just doubled visa fees, and the US has announced a shocking 100,000 H1B fee proposal. Germany, though, is offering free visas to some Indian students. So, which country is actually the best to move to in 2026? Let's break it down simple, honest, and real so you know what's worth it before you pack your bags. By the way, I'm making this video in English so that more students from everywhere can benefit and understand clearly. But if you want me to make a detailed video in Telugu on any specific country or visa pathway, just let me know in the comment section below. We are close to 1000 subscribers, so please do give this video a like, share it with your friends and subscribe so you don't miss any future updates. Also hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So let's just get into the video. First, let's quickly see what's happening worldwide. Student caps. Canada and Australia are reducing how many students they take in overall. Higher visa fees. Australia's students' visa fee is now over 2000 AUD, which is the Australian dollars. Stricter requirements. More financial proof, tougher language scores, and a new genuine student test. Post-study work visas. Shorter in some countries and harder to qualify for. So yes, going abroad is still possible, but definitely not as easy as it used to be. So starting off with Canada. Canada is still one of the top choices for Indian students. The big advantage is the postgraduate work permit, which is the PGWP, which helps you work after studies and later apply for a PR, which is the permanent residency. But Canada is now reducing study permits by about 10% and only allowing them for approved institutions. Housing costs in cities like Toronto and Vancouver are also very high. So, some of the pros are good education, multicultural life, and clear PR pathway. However, the cons are fewer study permits and expensive living and tougher rules. So, next comes Australia. Australia remains a favorite, especially for healthcare, IT, and engineering. The lifestyle is great. Universities are top ranked and skilled graduates can find good jobs. But Australia recently made rules stricter. Visa fees are now 2000 Australian dollars. Proof of funds is higher and post-study work visas are shorter for some courses. There's also a new genuine student test to make sure you're not just using student visas to stay in the country. So the pros here would be world-class universities and education, strong job market in some fields. However, the cons are expensive visa processes, stricter rules, and shorter work permits, which is making it difficult for the PR part. Now the USA, still the number one dream country for Indian students. The opportunities in tech, business, and research are unmatched, and USA degrees carry global brand value. But there's the catch. After studies, to stay in the US, you need an H1B work visa, and recently, a shocking 100,000 H1B fee was proposed. That means companies might think twice before hiring international students. On top of that, the green card process takes years. Pros here would be top universities, huge career opportunities, and highest salaries. But the cons are extremely expensive, H1B lottery risk, visa tensions, and very tough PR process. Germany is now becoming a rising star in 2026. Why? Many universities have very low or even zero tuition fees, especially the public ones. And recently, Germany announced no visa fees for Indian students in certain programs. That's a huge saving. The challenge is many jobs and courses need German language skills. If you're in STEM, you can study in English, but learning German will give you the big edge and the job search would be easier. Pros: low cost of education, free visas for some courses, and strong job market in tech and engineering. However, the cons are language barrier, bureaucracy, and not as quick for PR as the other country like Canada. Now let's talk about UK and others like the Ireland, New Zealand. So UK is still strong for global exposure with a graduate route visa that lets you work for 2 years after studying. Ireland is great for tech and pharma, and New Zealand offers good quality of life but has very small job market. So the pros here are recognized degrees, work opportunities after study. The cons are expensive tuition, cost of living is high, and PR is not guaranteed. So now comes the big question. So which country should you pick in 2026? Ask yourself these three questions. Budget. If you want affordable education, Germany is best. If you can invest more, Canada or Australia are your options. Second one, career goal. If you want PR, Canada gives you the clearest path. If you want brand value or higher salaries, then you should choose USA or UK. Third, lifestyle. Do you prefer multicultural hubs like Toronto or Sydney, or a European experience like in Germany? So, to sum it up, Canada is great for PR but tougher rules and higher costs right now. Australia, top universities but expensive and stricter now. USA, huge opportunities but very risky and costly. Germany, affordable, good for tech, but you should learn the language. UK and the other countries, good degrees, but costly and uncertain of PR. At the end of the day, don't just follow trends. If India itself offers you good opportunities, don't feel pressured to leave. Abroad life looks shiny on the Instagram, but it comes with struggles as well. So, comment below which country you're aiming for in 2026. I'll make detailed guides for each one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the latest updates. Bye bye.